Hello students, welcome back to the maths class. I hope you all are fine. So in last class we have completed exercise 3F. Today we are going to start with exercise 3G. Now listen question number 1. Estimate the difference by rounding each number to the nearest hundred, then compare it with the actual difference. So now here we have to find actual difference and estimated difference. Then we will compare the estimated difference with the actual difference. Okay student, now see question number 1. A part. The given numbers are 9234 minus 2105. So student, here firstly we will find actual difference. So here we will write actual difference. So write first number 9234, then write next number 2105. Now here we will do subtraction. Okay student, 4 minus 5, that is not possible because 4 is less than 5. So here we will take one borrow from this 3. So this 4 becomes 14 and this 3 becomes 2. Okay, 14 minus 5 equal to 9. 2 minus 0, yes student, 2 minus 0, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 9 minus 2, yes, 7. Okay, now here we will find estimated difference. Okay student, it is already given that estimate the difference by rounding each number to the nearest hundred. So here we will round the given number to the nearest hundred. Now see first number 9234. So firstly underline the digit which we have to round off. Here we have to round off nearest hundred. 1 tenth 100. So this is a 100 place. Okay, next step, check the digit to its right. Now student, check the digit to its right. You can see here is 3 which is less than 5. Students, if the digit is less than 5, keep the digit in the given place as it is. Okay, so we will write 92 as it is. Okay, and replace all the digits to the right of the rounding place by zeros. So we will replace these 3 and 4 by zeros. Here we will put 2 zeros. Okay, now similarly we will round 2105 to nearest 100. So first step, firstly underline the digit which we have to round off. 1 tenth 100. Okay, next step, check the digit to its right. You can see here is 0, means which is less than 5. If the digit is less than 5, keep the digit in the given place as it is. So here we will write 21 as it is and we will replace these two digits by zeros. So here we will put 2 zeros. Now find the estimated difference. Write the sign of minus here. So students, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 1, yes, 1, 9 minus 2, 7. So estimated difference is 7100. Students, here we have to compare the estimated difference with the actual difference. So as we can see that the estimated difference is close to the actual difference. So here we will write as we can see the estimated difference is close to the actual difference. Understood? Now see one more part. I am explaining E part. The numbers are 2927 minus 2712. So firstly here we will find actual difference. Write first number 2927 Next number is 2712. Now find the difference. So 7 minus 2, 5. 2 minus 1, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Similarly, here we will find estimated difference. So here we have to round off 2927 to nearest 100. So firstly underline the digit which we have to round off. Ones, tens, 100. So this is the 100 place. Now check the digit to its right. Student, here digit is 2 which is less than 5. Student, if the digit is less than 5, keep the digits in the given place as it is. So here we will write 29 as it is and replace all the digits to the right of the rounding place by zeros. So here we will write 27 by, here we will replace 27 by 2 zeros. Similarly, 1 tens, 100. This is a 100 place. Now check the digit to its right. You can see here digit is 1 which is less than 5. So we will keep 27 as it is and replace 1 and 2 by zeros. Now find estimated difference. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 7, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So as we can see that estimated difference is 200 and which is close to the actual difference, that is 215. So right here, as we can see, the estimated difference is close to the actual difference. Understood? Now see question number 2. Rohan's school is 9,256 meters from his home and Rehan's school is 6,789 meters from his house. Estimate the difference between the two distances. Round the numbers to the nearest 100. So student, here what is given? Rohan's school is this meter from his home and Rehan's school is this meter from his house. Here we have to find the estimated difference between the two distances. And but it is also given that round the numbers to the nearest 100. Okay students, so now here we will find the estimated difference. We will follow the same step followed in the previous question. Okay. So write first distance, that is 9,256 meter. Now we have to round off this number to the nearest 100. Okay. See here, ones, tens, 100. This is a 100 place. Now check the digit to its right. You can see here digit is 5. Means student, if the digit is 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the digit in the given place. Now here we will add 1 in this underlined digit. Okay student, write 9 as it is. 2 plus 1, yes, 3. And next step, replace all the digit to the right of the rounding place by 0. So we will replace this 5 and 6 by zeros. So write here 2 zeros. Meter is there, write meter also. Now take next distance, that is 6,789 meter. Rounding to nearest 100. Ones, tens, 100. This is the 100 place. Now check the digit to its right. You can see here digit is 8 which is more than 5. If the digit is more than 5, we will add 1 to the digit in the given place. So here we will add 1 in this underlined digit. So write 6 as it is. 7 plus 1, 8 and replace 8 and 9 by zeros. Write meter also. Okay student, here we have to find the estimated difference. So here we will do subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Student, 3 minus 8 not possible because 3 is less than 8. So here we will take one borrow from this 9. So this 3 becomes, yes, 13 and this 9 becomes 8. Okay, student, 13 minus 8, 5, and 8 minus 6, 2. Write meter as it is. Okay. Hence, the estimated difference between the two distances is 2500 meter. So, write here, hence, estimated difference between the two distances is 2500 meter. I hope exercise 3G is clear to everyone. Thank you. Have a great day.